We are VoiceSage. We're one of the UK's leading communications platform as a service technology companies. Founded in 2003, our founder JJ has overseen the creation of the company's leading suite of communication and payment products. Before that, he was the Director General at the University College Cork for 23 years. Traditionally, it is costly and complicated to integrate real-time communication, such as WhatsApp, text messages, phone calls, onto websites and apps. But Communication Platform as a Service, or CPaaS, provides a complete framework through API and removes the need for companies to build their back-end infrastructure and interface. We offer companies a cloud-based platform to add SMS, rich media messaging, voice, bots, social and email channels into their business processes. They use this for customer communications, including payment collection, scheduling home visit appointments, surveys, and a wide range of other interactions. This results in major cost savings, dramatic improvements in key business metrics, and much better customer service. Working with blue-chip clients, including Very, SSE, PayPal, Nationwide and Capital One, Zurich, AXA, Thames Water, and Express Gifts, and 100+ more, we achieved over £5 million turnover in the last year. Since 2003, we have reinvested heavily into our technology, building a strong IP with over £17.5 million spent on research and development. Effective communication is becoming ever more critical for businesses. Research shows that customers want personalised communication and that they have a choice of channel of communication. VoiceSage is raising funds to accelerate growth in the UK and expand into Europe, the US and Australia. The Communications Platform as a Service, known as the CPaaS market, is forecast to grow from $4.5 billion in 2020 to $26 billion in 2026. We have spent years developing our technology and building our excellent team. We believe VoiceSage is better than our competitors. VoiceSage has partnered with a payments gateway company that gives us 40% of the transfer fees. The company has now built strong artificial intelligence and machine learning into its voice, rich media messaging, interactive text, bots, and WhatsApp products, which is transforming the customer experiences that our client companies can now provide. With a track record of working with and adding value to our blue-chip clients, we believe this is the right time for us to expand. The CPaaS market is poised for 570% growth in the next 6 years. This funding round will enable us to invest in marketing and sales, to strengthen our market share in the UK and expand into the European, US and Australian markets, where there is the potential for far higher margins.